Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got my hands on the Barbie HMD flip phone. And yes, this is a real working flip phone. It's all about disconnecting from the digital world and enjoying these simple things. We're gonna unbox it together and check out the cool new features. I'm really excited, so let's get into it. First impressions right out of the box, this is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Not only is the phone adorable, it comes in a makeup box, I think. Jewelry box. No, it's a little jewelry box. We have the two little layers. Okay, I'm definitely giving this to my niece. She's gonna absolutely love it. I like that it comes with a little wrist strap with all these tiny little clips to go on it. Also stickers and these little gems and two different backings. So we can choose what back we want on it. I like this multicolored one for right now. We also got this pink USB-C. This is so exciting already. We gotta get into customizing. Then we're gonna turn this on and play around with it. So first let's add some stickers. I don't know if anything is gonna come up on the displays, so I wanna put them around the edges. Okay, cuteness. I feel like we gotta do this little thing. All right, complete and adorable. Should we turn it on? Oh, it's vibrating.
Hi, Barbie.
No. When you turn it on, it says, "Hi, Barbie." Oh, you can see, I saw notifications. Can you see the time right here? Okay, the time is wrong. It's not 1:40 a.m. But it's also a mirror, so I can smile into it. Hey. This is already the cutest thing I have ever seen. So the front acts as a mirror, but it also has the date and time popping up through, which is pretty cute. We are running KaiOS 3.1, and we have a 2.8-inch display and 4 gigabytes of storage. We have a 0.3 megapixel front camera, and this is also a little flash. I know it's not gonna look like my iPhone 16 Pro Max, but for the vibes, I feel like this is gonna be fun. This is definitely a phone to get if you wanna have a break from social media apps, because this doesn't have social media. It has internet and maps. HMD said this phone is all about eliminating distractions and being present in the moment. I just realized that we have a headphone jack, so you can listen to music. Now I'm so eager to look at all the settings and test this out, so let's do that together right now. So this little guy also has 9 hours of talk time and days worth of battery. I guess because you're not scrolling on social media and that sort of thing. I also haven't done T9 texting in what, 20 years? I don't know if I can remember to type really fast. I feel like I'm gonna be typing so slow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a Barbie bee there, a little heart behind here. I really like the bee for Barbie. What's that? Oh, messages. Camera. Let's test this out right away. It's definitely dark. Okay, it's not that bad. Let's take a selfie. I can see myself through here. This is good. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, very dark. Okay, let's turn on the flash actually on. That actually looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I keep thinking it's a touchscreen. Obviously it's not. Now these are the photos that I took, and honestly, I'm actually kind of impressed with some of them. Like the one with the flowers looks really good and clear. I'm zooming in right now. Okay, it's not that good, but it's decent. Like it looks nice. And even the selfies, I feel like selfies on old devices just give you that like crispy, crunchy look to it that a lot of people desire, and I feel like it looks cool and aesthetic. Totally a vibe. I'm having so much fun. What do we have here? Oh, it's so Barbie. Snake. Okay, we're playing this right now, guys. I haven't played Snake since high school. It's Barbie Snake? Oh, this is hard. Oh, wrong way. Turn, 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 turn. Turn, turn, turn. Ah! Okay, I used to play like the Snake on my BlackBerry. I was much better. Okay, cool. Video. Oh yeah, I don't have any videos. Let's test it out. Hey guys, this is the first video on my Barbie phone. This is a test of my new Barbie phone with a video recording. How does it look? Moving around. Close up. Okay, stop. Why does the quality kind of eat? No, this is good. Not actually good, but like good for this phone, you know? I'm impressed. It's so cute. Hi. No. Why is it doing that? Go back, go back, go back. This is taking forever. Ew, why does it keep going to predictive text? I don't know. Okay, that took so long. I think I'm gonna have to practice my T9 because that was just embarrassing. Ooh, let's set an alarm for a minute for now. Let's see how it sounds. I like that one. Time, let's do it in 1 minute from now. Oh, here it is. We have music here. FM radio? What? Plug in headphones to receive radio signals. Okay, cool. We got radio. Nice. Oh, we got different wallpaper. Let's make it peak brightness. What other wallpaper options do we have? Ooh, this one matches the back, but this is the iconic Barbie. We got this dynamite Barbie. Astronaut Barbie. That's cute. 2 Barbies here. That's amazing. Calendar. Calculator. Okay, easy to use. Recorder. Press new to start recording. Hey besties, it's me. You're hearing me from my Barbie phone.
Hey besties, it's me. You're hearing me from my Barbie phone.
Okay, that does not sound good. It really doesn't. Barbie tips. Digital balance tip. Start small. No need to give up the smartphone entirely. Your Barbie phone or an alarm clock to start your fabulous day. Oh, I could use this as my alarm clock. Yeah, I'm doing that. Make tech-free zones in your own dream house. Okay, that's a good idea. Are you used to posting social media when traveling? Send your BFF a postcard instead. They'll love a physical memory keepsake. This is so cute. What other games do we have? Let's play Gems. Oh my gosh, I remember this game. This was so much fun. Oh, this could keep me entertained forever. And the fact that I have to use this like keypad is like really fun for me right now. Now let's look at the ringtones they have. Okay, vibes. No. Dream house. I like this. Love that. Do we have more? Ooh. No. Okay, definitely the dream house. I like that one. That's really cute. Okay, I just connected to the internet, so let's see what we can do. Let's go on Google. It works. Let's search. Oh, I forgot I have to type like this. Okay, it's gonna take me a while. Oh, here we go. I can't believe phones used to be like this, but it's actually very fun now to switch back. Barbie is a fashion doll created by businesswoman Ruth Handler. We also have the Kai store. Let's see if there's any fun apps. Brick Breaker? Yeah, I'm getting Brick Breaker 100%. That was fast. I was obsessed with this on my BlackBerry. Ah! I just realized if you press like that, you have all the recent apps that you just used. That is so cool. I love how it looks. Flashlight. Oh, there's our little flashlight. Brightness, airplane mode, camera, and vibrate mode. I can put a SIM card in this and call someone. Now let's see if this phone actually works. I'm gonna call my mom. Wait, that's not her phone number. I haven't had to put in people's phone numbers in so long. Okay, I got it.
Hello?
Hi, Mama. I'm calling you from my Barbie phone.
Aw, cute.
Okay, can you tell difference in my sound of it, like the audio quality, or does it sound good?
It sounds really good. Very clear.
Oh, yay. Okay, great. I'm gonna hang up on you dramatically. Bye, love you. But imagine being mad at someone and being like, oh, so audio sounds good. Love to hear it. Now this phone is bringing me so much joy and nostalgia. As you guys know, my job is social media, so I'm literally on social media apps, editing on my laptop and my phone all day long. So I feel like a digital detox would be a challenge, but also really fun and also good for me. I feel like having a digital detox is good for your mental health and well-being. It also helps you stay more in the present moment and surround yourself with people you love. So I feel like I want to challenge myself and do a full day where I'm only using this phone. I'm excited but nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I review a ton of phones and I specifically love when they're pink. So I have my iPhone 16 Plus in pink, my Google Pixel 9, and also my Motorola Razr. We love her. But now my new addition, my gorgeous Barbie flip phone. I'm so glad I could unbox this with you guys. This was so much fun. I'm seriously having the best time, and I hope you guys are too. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.